Your Honor, ready.
Okay. Where to first?
Yeah, sure. Go to position 26, Mr. Howard.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. White. What are we doing with Mr. Howard this morning?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Howard, it's going to be a plea. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Howard. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar that we're conducting by video. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
No.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. Good morning, Mr. Sirocco.
Good morning, Judge. This is position 26. Mr. Montevious Howard.
Yes.
All right. On count one, Judge, the state's recommendation is 12 months served, 60 days, credit for time served, balance probated, MHET, 12-week anger management, 40 hours community service, no further contact with Mr. Marcus Jordan, and stay away from the Eden Fresh Market at 3465 Main Street in College Park. Count two, that was the terroristic threats next. Count two, the disorderly conduct would be 12 months probation concurrent with count one. Count three, the willful obstruction would be 12 months probation concurrent with count one, $300 fine. And the theft by shoplifting would be 12 months probation concurrent with count one and an anti-theft course. We would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea.
White.
We so stipulate for the purpose of the plea, we just ask them to convert the fine to 30 hours of community service, and that as probation terminator goes non-reporting once it completes all of its requirements.
We would object to termination and non-reporting. The defendant was convicted of a willful obstruction offense.
Okay.
This was just recently. That was 6 days prior to this incident. He was sentenced to serve 28 days, 50 hours community service, op 21.
Okay. Mr. Howard, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006457C, you wish to plead guilty to terroristic threats and acts, disorderly conduct, willful obstruction of law enforcement officers, and theft by shoplifting. Is that correct? Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation? You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the negotiated plea, Mr. Howard. I will convert the fine to community service. And as long as you complete the terms during the course of probation, as soon as you get them completely done, I will have it go to a non-reporting status, okay? All right, good luck to you, sir.
I've already been in for 30 days now, so for that.
Next, we can go to position 9. Huh?
What are we doing with Mr. Coffey this morning?
In negotiated plea, Judge. Well, I'm sorry, non-negotiated.
So when I give,
plea.
no, it doesn't.
Okay, the amount of time in custody, what's that issue?
That's correct, Judge, and it's just
So I
a
get released today. and
2
come back.
or 3 days by my calculations, and the reason we're asking that it just be time served is because he's going to be released to
Oh, okay.
drug court. He also has PAD
Wait a minute.
is drug court's supposed to pick him up at 9:30 today,
I'll do it.
and PAD is helping him out as well. He's also got a disability hearing before long, so.
Judge, if it's a matter of, good morning, by the way.
Good morning, Mr. Rhodes.
If it's a matter of 3 days and he has all that going on, it'll be a commutation to time served.
Okay. So now it's negotiated, Mr. White?
That's correct, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Good morning, Mr. Coffey. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. You can place your hand down. Yes, Mr. Rhodes.
Yes, the state's recommendation as it relates to position number 9 is 12 months to serve 90 days, commuted to the time he's already served, the balance on probation, that he undergoes a theft prevention class, completes 100 hours of community service, and to stay away from the Chevron on 507 Joseph E. Lowry, along with an alcohol drug evaluation and treatment. Thank you.
Mr. White.
Judge, that is our understanding. Obviously, he's going to drug court, so I would assume that would suffice for his ADET. And we just asked that his probation go to non-reporting. Once he completes all of the requirements, he'll still be in the drug court program. So,
Mr. Coffey, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 005826F, you wish to plead guilty to theft by shoplifting. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation? You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Coffey. When you complete the terms, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
thank you.
Your Honor, we can go to, position 46, Mr. Waldrop.
Good morning, Ms. Tucker. What are we doing with Mr. Waldrop this morning?
Good morning, Your Honor. This will be a negotiated plea.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Waldrop. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? You're muted there, courtroom 2. Say it again for me, Mr. Waldrop.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. Yes, Mr. Sirocco.
Thank you, Judge. The state's recommendation for the criminal trespass, this is position 46, is 12 months, serve 30 days, credit for time served, balance probated, risk reduction driving course, no further contact with Stephanie. Let me make sure I'm saying this correctly. Gervasoni. Stay away from 1901 Peachtree Road, Atlanta, and $300 restitution to Stephanie Gervasoni. We would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea. And we would, at this time, like to sound for Ms. Gervasoni.
Ms. Gervasoni is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now is your opportunity. Doesn't appear so. Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor. We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea. And we do request that once all the terms are complete, that he be allowed to go non-reporting.
No objection to that, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Waldrop, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 005888F, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
Sir, no, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Waldrop. When you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Does that mean release today?
Ms. Tucker?
Mr. Waldrop, I just explained to you when you'll be released, you have another court date coming up
Okay,
that'll hold you.
so when I get released do I get released today and then go to the?
I'll give you another call, Mr. Waldrop.
Okay,
You're not being held in this case.
okay, all right, cool. Okay,
Ms. McLeod, are you with me this morning? I see you on the line. All right, who do we have next?
Go to Mr. Wells. I don't have his position number though.
47.
47.
Okay. What are we doing with Mr. Wells this morning, Ms. Tucker?
This will be a negotiated plea as well.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Wells. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, Mr. Wells. Yes, Mr. Soraka.
Thank you, Your Honor. For the criminal trespass, state's recommendation is 12 months, serve 86 days, credit for time served, balance probated, undergo a behavioral health evaluation and follow any recommended treatment, 80 hours community service, and stay away from the Howard Johnson Hotel at 4874 Old National Highway in College Park. We would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea. That is all for the state.
Tucker.
Yes, Your Honor, we do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea. And it's also our request for Mr. Wells that he be allowed to go on non-reporting once he completes the eval and community service.
No objection from the state judge.
Does Mr. Wells have a need to have a social worker visit to assist with anything, Ms. Tucker?
He didn't express a need when I spoke with him. But
May I ask? May I ask him?
yeah,
Okay. Mr. Wells, if you are in need of some assistance with housing, I'm happy to get someone to speak to you about that. Do you have that need, sir?
I already have a social worker. I got accepted to a couple of programs, so.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that. With that said, Mr. Wells, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 001870J, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Wells. When you complete the terms, it'll go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is position 30, Mr. Martin.
Also a negotiated plea.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Martin. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Soraka.
Thank you, Your Honor. On count one, the simple battery, family violence, state's recommendation is 12 months, served 28 days, credit for time served, balance probated, no further contact with Kamisha Freeman, stay away from the 4265 Shirley Drive, South Fulton address, FFIB, 40 hours community service, and no firearms. And on count two, that would merge with count one. We would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea, and we would at this time like to sound for Ms. Freeman.
Ms. Freeman is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now is your opportunity. Doesn't appear so. Mr. White?
Your Honor, we do stipulate for the purpose of the plea. We would ask for a no further violent contact. I tried to contact, I've got, well, I tried to contact Ms. Freeman. I didn't have her number. We had, Mr. Martin's sister's number, and anyway, be that as may, we couldn't get through to her, but they do have a child together. At worst, we would ask for a third-party transfer for visitation with the child that Ms. Freeman and Mr. Martin had together.
We would be fine with a third-party transfer for the child, Judge. We would object to no further violent contact given his history, which includes a number of violent cases, and there are previous convictions. But out of an abundance of caution here, we would ask for no further violent contact. Or, excuse me, no further contact.
Has your office been able to contact Ms. Freeman?
We have
Mrs.
not,
Howard?
Judge. We have not.
Okay.
Um,
So, Mr. White, if somebody contacts her and she has different wishes, I'm happy to modify this but now until someone speaks with her directly, at least, I'll have third-party transfer of the child for visitation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, anything further before I take the plea?
I just asked the probation go to non-reporting once he completes all his requirements.
And for the same reasons as previous, we would object to that. He has, one, it's a family violence case, but two, there are multiple ag assault arrests in recent history. And there's a simple battery conviction, NOLO from 2016, that were several counts of simple battery family violence were null-prossed. And the recent arrests for aggravated assault and battery from 2024 and 2023, while they were dismissed, those are violent cases. We would object to non-reporting. That's all.
Mr. Martin, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 002271B, you wish to plead guilty to simple battery family violence. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at the present time? Speak up for me. You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and you're giving up that right by pleading guilty. You understand that? Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated with the third-party transfer of any minor children for visitation. It's going to take you a good bit of time to get through the FVIP, but if you complete everything successfully before the end of the probation period, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. If you don't complete it successfully, you'll be on probation the entire time. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. McLeod, I saw you on the line. You have some announcements for me? Good morning.
Your Honor.
Good. Do you have announcements on your cases?
Yes, Your Honor. On Mr. Fowler, it's going to be a negotiated plea. Richard Fowler. He has
So
three
that's-
positions.
Right. And I believe you also have Kadarius Woods, position 50.
Yes, I haven't been able to speak to Mr. Woods yet.
Okay, so we'll make him available as soon as he comes in the courtroom two there. In courtroom two, I see we have Ms. Chancey on the line. So I believe that we need her services this morning. So when it's convenient, if we could deal with her case. Good morning, Ms. Chancey. Thank you for being here.
Good morning, Your Honor. You're welcome.
Yes, Your Honor, I believe her client is at ACDC, so I'll give them a call. And also Mr. Woods is at South Annex. So I'll say we can give them a call as well.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
We can go to Mr. Fowler.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Fowler. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Fowler. You can place your hand down. Yes, Mr. Rhodes.
Yes, Your Honor, I believe that Mr. Fowler cases are positions 18 through 20, so I'll go through each one. On position 18, Your Honor, which is case number 23 CR 006710E, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 30 days. credit for time served, and then the balance on probation. That he undergoes a 24-week family violence intervention program, that he completes 40 hours of community service, and that he is to have no further contact with Lazaria Duncans and stay away from 588 Cooper Street in Atlanta, Georgia. No firearms, drugs, or weapons while out on bond. And position number 19, which is 25 CR 005-575E, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 30 days. Credit for time served, balance on probation. That he undergoes an alcohol drug evaluation and treatment. And that he had the same conditions of no further contact and stay away, same victim, same location. We're going to ask that position number 19 run concurrent with position number 18, Your Honor. As it relates to position number 20, which is 25 CR 0065776E, the state's recommendation is 12 months, credit for time served, balance on probation, a $500 fine, an additional 40 hours of community service, no further contact with the same victim and to stay away from the same location, and that he continue his monthly reporting on probation. We're asking that position number 20 run consecutive to positions number 18, 19. So for a global of 24 months, serve 30 days, balance, credit for time served, balance on probation, that there be a $500 fine, no further contact and stay away from the same victim and same location, that he undergoes the 24-week family violence intervention program, a total of 100 hours of community service. And I believe, Your Honor, that is it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. McLeod?
Yes, Your Honor. That is our understanding of the terms of the negotiated plea. However, my client is asking for a one-time police officer escort back to the location just to get some belongings. He tells me he has some furniture and other items. They have been living together for several years, so that's understandable that he does have belongings there, Your Honor, and he needs a one-time police officer escort to go back there to get his belongings.
Anything further, Ms. McLeod?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Mr. Fowler, it's my understanding in case 23 CR 006710E, you wish to plead guilty to battery family violence. In case 25 CR 005575E, you wish to plead guilty to simple battery family violence. And in case 25 CR 006576E, you wish to plead guilty to battery family violence. Is that correct?
Sir.
Are you
No, sir.
okay? Ms. McLeod, I think that you need to talk with Mr. Fowler. So it's my understanding that you do not wish to plead guilty to these charges, sir?
Yes, I didn't hear you, sir. The mic went out.
Oh, okay. Did you hear me go through the charges? That you're pleading guilty to 2 counts of battery family violence and 1 count of simple battery family violence. Is that right? Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at the present time?
Sir, Your Honor.
Say it again.
Sir, Your Honor.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced you or coerced you to plead guilty?
Oh, Your Honor.
I'll accept the pleas as negotiated. Mr. Fowler, I will allow you a one-time police escort to retrieve your belongings from that location. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go to position 7, Mr. Butler.
Also a negotiated plea.
Correct, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Butler. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. Mr. Rhodes? You are mute there, Mr. Rhodes.
That would help, Your Honor. As it relates to Mr. Butler, position number 7, as it relates to count 1, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 30 days, credit for time served, the balance on probation, that he undergoes an anti-theft course, and that he complete 30 hours community service, and there is a stay away from 3110 Roswell Road. On count 2, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 30 days, credit for time served, to run concurrent with count 1, and a $300 fine. And that is the state's recommendation. Thank you.
Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor, that is our understanding. So, sorry, there's something going crazy with it. That is our understanding. We just asked to convert the $300 fine to another 30 hours of community service and ask for non-reporting or termination once he completes his requirements.
Okay. Mr. Butler, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006572H, you wish to plead guilty to theft by taking and giving false information to law enforcement officers. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Butler. When you complete, I will convert the fine to community service. When you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Next is position 41, Mr. Rogers.
One, sir.
Morning, Mr. Rogers. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. Mr. Sirocco?
Thank you, Your Honor. On count 1, the criminal trespass, state's recommendation is 12 months, serve 30 days, credit for time served, balance probated, while on probation, undergo a behavioral health evaluation, any recommended treatment, 40 hours community service, and stay away from the Civic Center, MARTA station at 435 West Peachtree Street in Atlanta. Count 2, the willful obstruction will be 12 months probation concurrent with count 1 and a $300 fine. We would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea. That is all for the state.
Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor, we do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea. And we also request on his behalf that the $300 fine for count 2 be converted into 30 hours of community service. He has been experiencing homelessness. We're of course referring him to a social worker for resources regarding that. But it will be helpful for him to complete the terms if he's able to do community service.
Okay. Anything further, Ms. Tucker?
And that once all the terms are complete, if he could be allowed to go on non-reporting. Nothing further.
We do see on the state's behalf here roughly 7, 8 probation violations since 2019, Judge. So we would include that in our objection to non-reporting for this particular case.
Okay. Mr. Rogers, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006583G, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass and willful obstruction of law enforcement officers. Is that correct? You're on mute there, courtroom two.
Okay, yes, I do.
You under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation? You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right? Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty? I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Rogers. I will convert the fine to community service. If you complete the term successfully, meaning that you don't miss any dates that you're supposed to go to the probation department and you get everything done, then I'm going to have the probation go non-reporting. If you don't do that, then you're going to be on probation the entire time. So if you get this done and you do like you're supposed to do, then I'll have it go non-reporting so you don't have to pay those fees, okay? All right, good luck to you, sir.
Next position 42, Mr. Shelton.
Also a negotiated plea, Ms. Tucker.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Shelton. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. Yes, Mr. Soraka.
Thank you, Your Honor. On the criminal trespass count one, state's recommendation is 12 months served, 38 days, credit for time served, balance probated, behavioral health evaluation, any recommended treatment, stay away from all Greyhound premises and property, and 40 hours community service. Count two, the possession use of drug-related objects will be 12 months probation concurrent with count one, with an alcohol drug evaluation and any recommended treatment. We would ask the defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea.
Tucker.
We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea, Your Honor.
Mr. Shelton, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006523J, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass and possession and use of drug-related objects. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? I'm sorry, say it again for me, sir.
Not at all. No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Sir, I am.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and if by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right? Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
I'm sorry, they haven't.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Shelton. When you complete the terms of the probation, if you complete them successfully, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
Go to position 48, Mr. Wise.
Also a negotiated plea, Ms. Tuffy.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Wise. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say it again for me, sir. I didn't hear you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Soraka.
Thank you, Your Honor. On the count one, theft by receiving, state's recommendation is 12 months served, 60 days, credit for time served, balance probated, complete an anti-theft course, stay away from the West Inn Hotel at 4736 Best Road in College Park, and 60 hours community service. Count two, the other theft by receiving, would be 12 months probation to run concurrent with count one. We would ask the defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea.
We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea, Your Honor.
Mr. Wise, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006584G, you wish to plead guilty to 2 counts of theft by receiving stolen property. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation? You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right? Say it again for me, sir.
Yeah.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
Nope.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Wise. When you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
All right.
Go to position 17, Mr. Fletcher.
It's a negotiated plea, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Fletcher. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand? Good morning, sir. Thank you. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say it again. Was that a yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fletcher. You can place your hand down. Mr. Rhodes?
Yes, as it relates to position number 17, count one, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve, 90 days. Credit for time served and then the balance on probation. The state had a $300 fine, but I'm going to strike that. As it relates to count two, 12 months to serve 90 days, credit for time served. The balance on probation, that he undergo a mental health evaluation and treatment, and stay away from 1660 Johnson Road, Northwest Atlanta, Georgia, and that he have a social worker visit for any other needs he may have, Judge. Thank you.
Your
Mr.
Honor,
White?
yes, Your Honor. I believe he's already spoken to a social worker. We will confirm and if not, make sure one speaks to him, in court today. Otherwise, we just ask, accept the plea as negotiated and allows probation to terminate once he completes his mental health evaluation and treatment that determines necessary.
Okay. Mr. Fletcher, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 0058887J, you wish to plead guilty to willful obstruction of law enforcement officers and loitering and prowling. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I will accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Fletcher. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Next is position 8, Mr. Carr.
And Judge, while we're waiting for Mr. Carr, I've got an announcement. Position 10, I initially spoke with Mr. Curtis yesterday, and he told me that Scott Fortis represented him. Mr. Fortis does not represent him on the misdemeanor, but we'll be waiving that case today. So,
Okay, so position number 10, Mr. Curtis will be a waiver. Thank you. And this is Mr. Carr, and this is a negotiated plea as well.
that's correct, Judge.
And I have on the calendar just before has open shoplifting. Is that a different shoplifting than the one that he's pleading to today?
This calendar was prepared, Your Honor. Let me check that right quick.
Okay, thank you. I just want to make sure that we get all his charges taken
Makes
care
sense.
of. We can.
Makes sense. Thank you. All right. I am showing as an open case, an active case, 25 CR 006510 E. That may be this case, and I am showing there's a case in the district attorney's office, which is a DUI, but there, I am not seeing, Your Honor, an open shoplifting. I am, however, seeing, make sure that this is open. It may be closed as well. I'm seeing an open battery family violence that we probably need to go ahead and take care of. So if I can, Mr. White, I don't mind sending you in the chat an offer on the battery family violence. Let me give you the case number just to make sure that I'm reading it correctly.
Actually, I mean, even on this case, he has more time to do if it's easier to reset it. Up to you guys. This case was require him to do another 17 days in jail.
Okay, I could send you it and then we can reset it for next week, or if you want me to, I could send it to you now. It's 25 CR 006-751B is the accusation number that I'm seeing on it.
Let's give
I would-
Mr. White some time to look into that. So given that he has 17 more days, Mr. White, we're not having court next Tuesday. So the earliest that we can get it would be 2 weeks from today. So it looks like that will be right about the same time that he will be completing the time for this case. So is that okay to reset it? I think that's the 18th.
Absolutely, Judge. Yeah, I was going to say the same thing, that without reading a warrant and having any kind of discovery, I just don't know that I
Yeah.
can.
Okay, very good. So we'll reset it for 11/18. So Mr. Carr, I'll see you back on the 18th, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Just to make sure, because there might be a couple of cars in the system, I just want to make sure that I have the right David before I'm having you reset something on the wrong David Carr. This is a John David Carr, date of birth July 8th, 1986.
No, you got the wrong. I know what you're talking about, Mr. Roll. There's another car that was
Okay.
on the SEA count not too long for a battery case that y'all did a consent order on. This is not the same person.
Okay, all right. So I have thanks for checking that, Miss Lewis. I don't see
On the other birthday, I don't see any other open cases.
any other open cases. I saw that on the calendar. I don't know. This was prepared. So I don't know where that came from, but I don't see an open shoplifting.
And Judge, we hadn't seen another open shoplifting on our end.
Okay. All right, so I just wanted to make sure. So it looks like we've got that clarified. So we can go ahead and take the plea if you all desire to.
Absolutely, Judge.
Okay, very good. Good morning, Mr. Carr. Again, I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Can you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. Yes, Mr. Rhodes.
Yes, as it relates to count one, the theft by shoplifting, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 60 days credit for time served, and then the balance on probation. We're asking that Mr. Carr undergo an alcohol drug evaluation and treatment if necessary, an anti-theft course, that he completes 30 hours of community service, and there is a stay away, Your Honor, from 3110 Roswell Road. On count two, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 60 days credit for time served, balance probated, to run concurrent with count one, and a social work visit for housing and or behavioral health evaluation and treatment. Thank you.
Mr. White?
Judge, we have to accept the plea as negotiated. As far as the social worker visit, I believe one spoke with him after first appearance. And we would just ask the probation to terminate once he completes his other requirements.
Okay. Mr. Carr, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006510E, you wish to plead guilty to theft by shoplifting and criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
no,
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
yeah,
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
yeah.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
Um,
That was a no.
no,
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Carr. I am gonna waive the probation fees for you while you're on probation to help you stay on your feet. And when you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status, okay? Good luck to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's all we had early inside the courtroom, Your Honor. I tried calling ACDC. I'm waiting for them to call me back, and South Annex should, they told me they're in route to get their people, so we'll just be waiting on them.
Well, Your
Okay,
Honor, I actually just got off the phone with ACDC. They are on the line. If I could be placed in a breakout with them and the interpreter so that I can speak with my client, briefly.
okay. Thank you, Ms. Tucker. So, we'll place, ACDC, Ms. Tucker and the, let's see, Ms. Chansey, are you still with me?
Yes, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Thank you for your patience this
Oh,
morning.
you're welcome, sir.
We'll place you all into a breakout room. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Grace. Court will be in recess until we're ready, to continue. Ms. Grace, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Would you do me a favor, please? And if you have the numbers to those individuals that are on the DV bench warrant calendar, would you see if you can raise them for me to see if they can join us a little early this morning?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Problem.
Judge,
Yes, Miss Grace.
Miss Tiana Bussey is on. I'm trying to reach Mr. Jonathan Mitchell.
Thank you. Mr. White, are you there in courtroom two?
I am Judge.
Would you mind speaking to Miss Bussey, who's on the DV bench warrant calendar for me?
Sure.
Okay, Miss Bussey, are you with me?
My name is Melissa Grace, calling from Fulton County State Court.
Oh, thank you. Good morning, Ms. Bussey. I'm Judge Eric Moore. I appreciate you jumping on a little early for me. This is PD White here. I'm gonna have him speak with you regarding your case this morning, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. How would you like to do that?
I'm gonna give her a number to call, Judge.
Okay, so do you have something to take the number down with, ma'am?
Let me get something out.
It's the 2 or 3.
What's the number?
It's 404-612-2060.
2060. Okay,
2060. Yep.
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So get off.
You can place you can just, do you have another device that you can call on?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can just talk with Mr. White and then rejoin us, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I still haven't been able to get a hold of the South Annex to speak with Mr. Woods. I just wanted to let the court know that.
Okay, I think that they told me that they were en route to get the inmate. So thank you for your patience, Ms. McLeod.
You're welcome.
Courtroom 2, you want to go ahead and mute there for us?
Okay.
Excuse me, Ms. Lewis.
Get rid of them.
Yes, I'm here.
Did you know if Attorney Dennis Murphy was gonna be on for his 2 clients?
I have no answer right now for that. I don't know if he's in court at this time. Normally he'll jump on or let us know, but
Yes, he was in court. He said he was coming over.
I will try to reach out to him and see. Or
Thank-
I ask Miss Grace if she can email him for me, please. If she doesn't
thank you.
mind.
I appreciate that.
Ms. Lewis, who are you guys trying to get into contact with?
We're trying to reach Mr. Murphy, Attorney Murphy, to see if he's gonna come on for his clients.
Okay, I'll try.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, I hear you. Nakia Avery phone. Who are you here for?
Jaquavius Avery. I just spoke with Mr. Murphy and he said he was in another courtroom and he was on his way.
Okay, yeah, the court is virtual, so we will be holding. So you can mute yourself and put your camera off until we address the case.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. White, did you finish talking with Ms. Bussey?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we go ahead and take that matter?
Absolutely, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Sirocco, Mr. Rhodes, I'm not sure which one of you will be handling the DV bench warrant calendar.
I have it, Judge.
Okay, can we go ahead and take Ms. Bussey? I believe that she missed a court date.
Yes, she did. Let me pull up that case very quickly. One moment. There it is. She did, Judge, she FTA'd, excuse me. She FTA'd for a status conference before Judge Besson on October 21st, 2025. And this came after a previous return to sender from October 21st, 2024. The defendant filed an address change on February 11th of this year to a 507 Georgia Ave, apartment C6 address, where notice was sent to and was then returned to sender. So I'm not really sure what the issue is.
Mr. White?
Your Honor, the issue with the mail service, that the mail carrier, if the mailbox was not completely empty, was sometimes returning their mail. She has cleared that up with the post office, and we have the correct address. We just ask that you set aside the bench warrant.
All right, no objection from the state judge.
Okay, and we do have the correct address at the present time, is that right?
That's my understanding, Judge.
Okay,
It's still 507, that address.
Yes, sir.
And there's apartment number with it?
C6.
Okay. Thank you. It's
okay.
correct.
Okay, Ms. Bussey, we'll set the bench warrant aside this time. Make sure to keep in touch with the court so that you don't miss any further court dates. Now, you are free to go this morning, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. I have one question. Because I work at the airport and I couldn't go to work because I had a warrant out on me. Like, how would they be notified?
Keep your head down for another 48 hours until it gets through the system. Is that right, Ms. Lewis?
That's correct. At least 24 to 48 hours before we can get into the system and get over GCIC. Normally, I get the information over the same day, but for them to clear it off the system, I don't have control once I send it over to them. So that's all we tell you, about 24 to 48 hours.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
Mr. Mitchell is on the line for the other DV counter.
Mr. Mitchell, are you with me? Jonathan Mitchell?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can, Mr. Mitchell. Good morning. Can you come on camera for me? There you go. Good morning, Mr. Mitchell. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. I appreciate you jumping on a bit early for me. Mr. White, can you take this one for me as well?
I can. Ms. Mitchell, do you have something to take down a number?
No, I don't have a pen near me. I just really stopped so I can get on a call. What's the number? I can put it in my phone.
404 612 2060.
Okay, 404 2060.
You broke up on the prefix, but 612. Did you get that?
Yes, 612
2060. You have it. Go ahead and give me a call and we'll talk.
Okay, you understand, Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, sir. Do I give him a call on his cell phone? Like just call him, or is it going to wait till the Zoom call?
No. You're gonna call him now. He's gonna pick up. He's there. So he'll pick up. If you need to get off the call and jump back on once you talk, you can do that.
Okay, yeah, okay. I'm gonna hang up off of this and call him.
Okay, go ahead and do that now for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Ms. Lewis,
Yes.
do me a favor and send an email with this DV bench warrant calendar to
Zubin Abraham Ahmed. I can give the address too.
it should come up. She should be able to find it.
Mr. Sirocco, did you get my message in the chat?
I'm sorry, Ms. McLeod, what was that?
I was asking if you saw my message in the chat to you.
Let's see. All right, we can take that up. I believe that is Deputy Rhodes's case, but
I also sent it to him.
if he is indisposed, I can take this right now. Oh, you're there, sir? All right.
Yes, is that Travis Buford?
It's a negotiated plea according
Okay.
to Ms. McLeod.
Cyril Gaskin.
Oh, Gaskin. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Position 21.
Thanks.
Not ready for it too.
Mr. White, you was asking me a question? I didn't get it.
I was asking if you would send the DV bench warrant calendar
Oh, to you? Oh, no problem.
to Zubin.
Oh, the Zoom link. Oh, it's the same thing as this, but I'll send it.
Miss Lewis, to Zubin, the attorney sitting next to me, Zubin.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Ms. McLeod. I did receive it in the chat. Sorry about that.
No worries. Sometimes we don't always see these chats. Sometimes I don't. So I have to kind of check them. But yeah, I've already spoken to him and he wants to accept the state's plea offer.
Mr. White, are we ready for Mr. Mitchell's matter?
We are, Judge.
Mr. Mitchell, are you back with me?
Can you hear me?
I can. Can you come on screen for me?
Yeah, my phone is acting up. It's not letting. Hold on. Okay, there we go.
There you go. Thank you, Mr. Mitchell. Mr. Sirocco, I take it that Mr. Mitchell missed the court date.
Yes, Judge. Mr. Mitchell failed to appear for plea and arraignment before Judge Porter on October 13th of this year. I do see a return to sender notice on file. But the address it was sent to, I will note, was out of state. It was 4901 Misty Circle in Killeen, Texas.
Mr. White?
Judge, he's kind of living with his girlfriend and he has updated, I'm sorry, not his girlfriend, his sister. And we have, updated that address. I just want to confirm with the case manager that it's 2203 Mandalay Parkway, McDonough, Georgia, 30253. And this is the first time that he's missed on this case, Judge.
Ms. Lewis, are you with me?
I am, Judge. I'm looking, you know me. Yeah, it has
Okay.
been updated. This is a house, sir. There's no apartment number or anything.
Mr. Mitchell?
Mr. Mitchell? Can you hear me?
He might be frozen.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Is this a house or an apartment?
No, that's the apartment number 2203. That's the apartment number.
So there's no apartment number needs to be on the side, like the
No,
address?
ma'am.
Okay, so that is, okay. Just want to make it clear, so I know we don't get a return.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Mitchell, it's my policy that I will set aside a bench warrant on one occasion. Make sure you stay in touch with the court and don't miss another court date. We'll set this one aside.
Thank you, Judge.
Good
All
luck to you,
right.
Mr. Mitchell. You're free to go
Thank
this
you.
morning, sir. You're welcome.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that means the warrant will be lifted.
That's correct.
Yes.
It'll be 24 to 48 hours for the warrant to be clear, so just let you know, it's not gonna be instant. So it's gonna take some time, so stay low.
Yes, ma'am. All
Have a
right,
good
thank
day,
you.
Mr. Mitchell.
All right, you too, sir.
Thank you. Is there anybody else that we can take right now?
Yes, I have position 21, Ms. McLeod's client.
Okay. And it's my understanding this is going to be a negotiated plea. Is that right, Ms. McLeod?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Gaskin. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Can you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Rhodes.
Yes, Your Honor, as it relates to position number 21, on count one, the state's recommendation is 12 months to serve 90 days, credit for time served, and then the balance on probation. We're asking that Mr. Gaskin undergo a 24-week anger management class, and that he completes a mental health evaluation and treatment. He is to have no further contact with Letitia Hopkins, and he is to stay away from MARTA, all MARTA. On count two, the state is just recommending a time served sentence on that one. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. McLeod?
Yes, Your Honor, that is my understanding of the terms of the plea. I think he's been in now approximately 44, 45 days, Mr. Rhodes.
Oh, I have no idea, Ms.
I think so. As of the 10th, it was 39 days. I think that's what it said in the record. Because, of course, he's quite anxious to get out, Your Honor. He has been in jail for quite some time. I would ask the court to consider waiving some of his probation fees just to help him get on his feet, because, of course, he doesn't have a job.
If nothing further.
Nothing
Anything
further,
further,
Your
Ms.
Honor.
McLeod?
No,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Mr. Gaskin, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 005893Y, you wish to plead guilty to battery and certain acts, bus, rail station that are prohibited. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at the present time?
Your Honor.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced you or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Mr. Gaskin, I will waive 3 months of your probation fees to help you get and stay on your feet. When you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. What else that we can take right now? If not, we'll be in recess. Good morning, Mr. Murphy. Hope you're well today.
Good morning, Judge.
I see that you have two on the calendar this morning. Jaquavius Avery and Tevis Bufford.
Correct.
Have you been able, do you know what we're doing with them this morning?
I need to speak with Avery. I think it might be a plea. And then Bufford, I think we're just gonna argue about bond.
Right.
Sorry about that, Judge. Believe it or not, give me 1 second. Multitasking. What number is this?
I was just getting an announcement from Mr. Murphy. He believes that positions 3 and 4, Avery, once he speaks with him, will be a plea. And Bufford, he wants to have a bond argument. Neither of them are before us as of yet, though.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Do we have a deputy in the courtroom too?
Yes, Your Honor.
Avery, 3 and 4, and Bufford, where are they?
They're at South.
Okay. All right, so then they're gonna be on, I guess, with us directly still, is that right?
They know to be here. Let's just put it that way. Call multiple.
Okay. Mr. Murphy, you still with me? Like he's dropped off. All right, well, just let me know when we're ready to proceed with someone in the courtroom too, or when ACDC comes back on. We'll be in recess until then.
Hey, man, are we done we done everybody here?
Mr. White, I see that you still have David McKelly. Is he at the South Annex as well? Do you know?
No, Judge, that's a waiver.
Oh, okay. Position 32 will be a waiver. Thank you.
No worries.
Your Honor, I have an announcement on position 37 and 38.
Yes, Ms. Tucker.
After speaking with her, it's going to be a waiver.
Tengo un anuncio para la posición 37 y 38 que parece una declaración de inocente.
Yes, ma'am. Your case will be returned to the division judge and you'll get notification of your next hearing date.
Bien, señora, su caso será devuelto al juez encargado de la división donde está y usted recibirá notificación en donde estará la fecha de su próxima audiencia.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Mucha suerte, señora.
If we don't need Ms. Chance for any other cases this morning,
I
Yes,
think
Ms.
there
Chance.
was one more, sir. If I'm not mistaken, I was called to assist. Let's see. Give me one moment, please.
Okay.
Positions 11 through 14 are Jose Delgado or.
Delgado, yes.
But
Thank you.
that's reset for 2 weeks.
Oh, okay. That's a reason. Well, I guess I will leave. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for being here, Ms.
Have a
Chance.
good
We
day.
appreciate it. Have a good
Bye-bye.
day. Ms. Tucker, are you still with me?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Let me get announcements on some of your other cases. Position 29, Phyllis Knox. Have you been able to speak with her today?
I have not, because ACDC had just joined when I was
Okay.
speaking with. And then I'm excuse me. I also need to speak with position 34.
Okay. And what about positions 43 and 44?
I don't see South Annex on here.
Okay, they're at the South Annex, okay. Milton, are we gonna have the other people on the calendar?
Yes, I have them here, the two other ladies. Miss Knox, are you finished with her?
Yes, we're done.
Okay. Miss Knox.
So, Ms. Tucker's you're gonna need to speak with both those that are at South Annex. Is that right, Ms. Tucker?
I just have one client at South Annex.
I'm sorry. I was telling Miss Knox to be quiet.
Okay, so why don't you go into a breakout room with Ms. Knox there, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Judge, I think did you inquire about position 33? I believe that was a reset to 1111.
I was inquiring about position 34.
Okay, I thought you said
Moore.
33 and 34. All right.
Okay.
I'm sorry, we have position 34 in the courtroom whenever you have a chance to call her.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so let's go into a breakout room with ACDC and then we'll go back to courtroom 2 for more. Ms. Grace, can we put ACDC and Ms. Tucker into a breakout room, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, we'll be in recess until they return.
Just a reminder, y'all, there is no court next Tuesday, so all your resets for 11/11 is going 11/18, just to be clear.
Thank you, Ms. Lewis.
You're welcome.
Is next week a holiday or something?
What you say, Miss McLeod?
I was asking if next week is a holiday.
Yes, it is, ma'am. We are actually not having court next Tuesday.
Oh, what holiday is that? I'm just curious.
It's Veteran Day.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I was not on top of that. Thank you
Yeah,
for letting me know.
there's no SAP that day, so.
Okay, thank you.
And the calendar for that Thursday is very overwhelming, so the cases will have to reset to the 18th.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Murphy, are you with me?
I am, Judge. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Both of your clients are at the South Annex, is my understanding. The South Annex has not come on with us, as so far this morning. We're continuing to wait for them, so.
Judge, let's just can we reset for tomorrow?
We don't have court tomorrow.
Don't have court tomorrow,
So-
Mr. Murphy.
Okay, Thursday, then that'll be fine. Judge, my concern with Avery is that he's 17 years of age, and those charges are going to affect him for the rest of his life. And so I want to talk to the state about it, irrespective of my client wanting to cut a deal.
Okay, so, if we reset them both until Thursday, then you should have that opportunity before then.
Yeah, I will. I'm going to shoot some emails. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Okay, all right. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.
Judge, appreciate it. Bye.
Both of his cases gonna be reset for that day?
Yes. Ms. Lewis.
All right, it'll be the second add-on.
Your Honor, I have two announcements for the court.
Okay,
Position 34 is going to be reset to the 18th calendar. And then position 29, it'll be a negotiated plea.
so 34, more is reset. 18. And tell me the other one. I'm sorry, Ms. Tucker.
Position 29, Ms. Knox, she does want to go forward with the plea.
Okay. And where is Ms. Knox? Is she at
Maybe ACDC is still in the breakout room.
Okay, we'll get him back out of the breakout room. And Ms. Tucker, position number 5, Pamela Bailey, is that still going to be a plea? Or is that reset?
Position 5, is to be a plea unless something occurred at ACDC.
Grace, can we bring ACDC back from the breakout room, please?
They'll be out. It's a time thing on there. It's timing out at 12 seconds. You got 12 seconds before they come out. 9 seconds.
Thank you.
It's a timer thing on it now. I don't know how they got on there, but normally you can just close it and just close it. They should come on now. Here they come.
Ms. Lewis, can you check your chat, please? Thank you.
Okay. Officer Melton, can you unmute for me there so we can take this plea? Are we ready, Officer Melton?
Your Honor, I will say that Ms. Knox has undergone some medical issues. So when she's responding yes or no, it may be a little difficult to hear.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Tucker. Good morning, Ms. Knox. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Is she able to raise her right hand for me? Okay. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You can put your hand down. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Soraka.
Thank you, Your Honor. On the criminal trespass for Ms. Knox, the state's recommendation is 12 months, serve 60 days.
Hold on 1 second, Ms. Knox. Hold on. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
12 months to serve 60 days, credit for time served, balance probated, behavioral health evaluation and treatment. Stay away from the McDonald's at 10975 State Bridge Road in Johns Creek. We would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea.
I will even go home to this point, you know what I'm saying?
Just one moment, Ms. We speak on your behalf. We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea. And Your Honor, it is our request that that the probation fee be waived, and then once he completes the behavioral health evaluation, that probation terminate or go to non-reporting.
We would be fine with non-reporting, Judge. We want her to stay away from that McDonald's.
Okay. Ms. Knox, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 00588-1E, you want to plead guilty to criminal trespass, is that right?
Yeah.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? You've been represented by Ms. Tucker here. Are you happy with what she's done for you?
Yeah.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yeah.
Has anyone forced you to plead guilty? Okay, that's a no?
Yeah.
That's, nobody has forced you to plead?
I'm in home to the point.
Oh,
Ms.
oh,
Knox, please answer the judge's question.
I'm go home. And I'm pretty sure I'm pretty good player. I can come.
okay, Ms. Knox, listen to my question. Nobody has forced you to plead guilty, have they? Okay, I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Ms. Tucker will waive the probation fees while she's on probation, and when she completes the term, it'll go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, Ms. Knox. Milton, do you have Pamela Bailey there?
Okay, the next one is Miss Bailey. Oh, hold on. Miss
Okay.
Tucker, did you need to talk to Miss Bailey?
No, ma'am. We can go forward with the plea.
Okay, while we're getting Miss Bailey, Miss McLeod, Miss McLeod. South Annex, are you on with me?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. McLeod, did you need to speak with someone there at the South Annex?
Yes, Your Honor, I was. Mr.
Okay.
Woods, Kadaris Woods.
South Annex, are you with us?
Yes, I'm getting Woods right now.
Okay, so we'll put you into a breakout room with the South Annex when they get back on.
Thank
Ms.
you, Your
McLeod.
Honor.
And Ms. Grace, if I'm in the middle of this plea, if you'll go ahead and put them in the breakout room if South Annex comes back on for me, please.
Ms. McLeod and South Annex, correct, Judge?
Say it again, Ms. Grace?
Ms. McLeod and South Annex, correct?
Yes, that's correct. As soon as they get back on with us. Thank you.
Miss Lewis, can you check your chat, please?
Good morning, Ms. Bailey. I'm Judge Eric Mara. Good morning, ma'am. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Can you raise your right hand for me, please, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Mr. Sirocco.
Thank you, Judge. On the stalking, state's recommendation is 12 months served, 60 days, credit for time served, balance probated, MHET, 40 hours community service, stay away from 6498 Canopy. Let me make sure I have that. I'll get the full address momentarily. No further contact with Mr. Roderick McLean. No further contact with anyone who works at Lockheed Martin. And that address is 6498 Canopy Drive in Sandy Springs, from which we'd be asking for the stay away. We would at this time like to sound for Mr. Roderick McLean if he's online and wishes to speak, and we would ask that defense stipulate the factual basis, venue, and ID for purposes of the plea.
Mr. McLean is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now is your opportunity. Doesn't appear so. Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor. We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea.
Oh, and stay away from Lockheed Martin premises and property. That particular address I don't have.
All right. Ms. Bailey, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 006365C, you wish to plead guilty to stalking. Is that correct?
sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes,
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right? Say it one more time for me.
sure I do.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty? Okay, I'll accept the plea as negotiated.
Your Honor, I'm so sorry to interject. We would ask, the person who prepped the recommendation for this neglected to add one thing that definitely should be added, which is no firearms while out on probation, given the underlying facts and what I'm seeing here. Would defense object to that?
Ms. Bailey, are you agreeable to that additional term? Okay, then no objection.
All right, thank you.
Again, I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Ms. Bailey, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ms. Tucker. Thank you, Ms.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And Ms. Tucker, tell me again, positions 43 and 44, you need to speak with Dion Sims?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and I believe he's at the South Annex as well.
Can I ask a question? I was just asking, what the release date? You may know.
You do have 9 additional days to serve, Ms.
Okay.
Bailey.
Do you know the date?
Oh, one moment.
Okay. Kind of an important day.
As long as the jail applies the 2-for-1 credits, you should be released on the 13th. If you have any additional questions, I can give you a call.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm good to go?
Yes, ma'am. Well, wait for
Wait on the
wait for the deputy.
Yeah.
Ms. Milton?
Let's see.
Miss I, is that you?
Miss
Why are you
Lewis.
down here, girl? Oh, sorry, that's
Yes, sir. I'm here.
I believe we only have 43, 44 in the add-on Sims and Kadarius Woods. Does that go along with your notes there?
Who would you like to speak to first?
Let's speak with Kadarius Woods. Okay, so South Annex, we're gonna place you into a breakout room with Ms. McLeod here. Ms. Grace?
I can do it, Judge.
Thank you.
While they're in the breakout,
Dawn.
South Annex, can you give me a call so that I can speak with Sims?
I already did it, Ms. Lewis.
Oh,
No problem.
Ms. Lewis,
Yes, sir.
since we only have those two to go, can we go over the calendar, please?
Now, give me 1 second. I'm trying to catch up with everything. Give me 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, y'all ready to go over the calendar?
Yes, whenever you are.
Okay. Mr. White, are y'all ready to go over the calendar?
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. Let me know if there's any changes. Position 1 and 2, I have waive arraignment, reset for trial further notice. Position 3 and 4 is gonna be on an add-on counter for Thursday, November the 6th. Position 5 was a plea. Position number 6 is also going to be on the add-on calendar for November the 6th. Position 7 was a plea. Position 8 was a plea. Position 9 was a plea. Position 10 is waiver arraignment, reset for trial, further notice. Position 11, 12, 13, and 14 all going to be reset to the SAP counter November the 18th. Position 15 is reset for the SAP counter for November the 20th. Position 16, waiver arraignment, reset for trial, further notice. Position 17 was a plea. Position 18 was a plea. Position 19 a plea, and 20 is a plea. Position 21 is a plea. Position 22, 23, 24, and 25, all going to be reset to the SAP counter for November the 18th. Position 26 is a plea. Position 27 and 28, waiver arraignment, reset for trial, further notice. Position 29 is a plea. Position 30 is a plea. Position 31, reset for SAP, November the 18th. Position 32, waiver arraignment, reset for trial, further notice. Position 33, reset for SAP counter, November the 18th. Just let Ms. Tucker know that he also is on Judge Dixon jail jury trial counter, November the 10th. So I'll still put him on the 18th. I don't know what's going to happen on that Monday in front of Judge Dixon with his other cases.
And that was for position, what, Ms. Lewis?
This is position 33. The state asked for a 1-week reset to add the other cases, but
Yes.
his cases are on, all those cases are on Judge Dixon jail jury counter for November the 10th.
Okay, all right.
Just letting you know. I'll still
Thank you.
set it on the 18th because I don't know what's going to happen on the 10th. And I'll put the other cases, but I would just let you know all those was going to be addressed on Monday.
Thank you, Ms. Lewis.
Position number 34, set for SAP, November the 18th. Position 35 and 36, same announcement, reset for SAP, November the 18th. Position 37 and 38, waiver arraignment, reset for trial, further notice. Position 39 and 40 has been released, reset further notice. Position 41 was a plea. Position 42 was a plea. Position 43 and 44, and the add-on for that person, Deion Sims, is holding for announcement. Position 45, waiver arraignment, reset for trial, further notice. 46 is a plea. 47 was a plea. 48 was a plea. 49 we're holding. I guess we're holding for 49.
For position 49,
Yeah, Alexis
the
Wood,
purge
what we
amount was
doing?
paid, so the
Oh,
state
that's right.
will
It was a
processing.
purge. So state, I need a non-pros, please.
Will send, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Just a quick correction on position 22 through 25. That's 11-13, not 11-18.
We got too many cases already on 13, Mr. White.
Oh, okay.
We're overbooked, and that's the counter. We have about 4 or 5 counters. We're overbooked on it because a lot of cases had to come on that counter because of the holiday for Tuesday. I'm sorry. So 49 is going to be a non-pros, and 50 we're holding for the announcement. And I think that's it. Any other questions or concerns? Yeah, we already got over 40 something inmates already coming in on court that day. And plus they have the competency counter and revocation counter on the 13th. There's a lot going on the 13th.
Okay, we'll be in recess until South Annex comes back on.
Judge, we're concluded over here. May I be excused?
Yes, y'all have a good rest of your day. We'll see you next time.
Was there a DV calendar? Or
We took care of it, Ms. Tucker.
Yeah, we took care of the DV. Both the cases on the DV counter were reset. FTAs were set aside.
thank you.
Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is Ms. McLeod's case.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
yes, Ms. McLeod.
This is going to be a waiver of arraignment and a request for the case to be set down for trial.
Okay, and this is position 50, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Woods. Your case is going to be returned to the division judge. You'll get notification of your next hearing date, sir. Good luck to
Okay.
you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you, Your Honor. And that concludes my business before the court today. May I be excused?
yes, have a good rest of your day. Thank you, Ms.
Thank you,
McLeod.
Your Honor.
And South Annex, do you have Dion Sims there?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and Ms. Tucker, you need to speak with him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're gonna place Attorney Tucker into the breakout room with South Annex.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Ms. Tucker.
The announcement for position 43 and 44 will be a waiver of arraignment.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Sims, your case will be returned to the division judge. You'll get notification of your next hearing date, sir. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thanks for being on today, South Annex. We appreciate it.
All right, Judge.
All right.
Do you have to see anyone else?
No, that takes care of the calendar for today. Thank you.
All right, perfect. You have a great day.
Do the same. Thank you. All right. I appreciate everyone. Have a good rest of your day. We will see you next time.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. You as well.
Ms. Lewis, did you get my email? Will you take a look at? Okay. You're on mute, but I think that you're telling me okay.
Yeah, okay, I can redo that.
Okay.
No
All
problem.
right. Thank you.
Uh-huh,
All
no
right.
problem.
Take care.
All right, bye-bye.